Listen carefully.
Arise, arose, arisen.
Many problems arose during the project.
Awake, awoke, awoken.
I awoke from a deep sleep.
Be, was, were, been.
She was kind, but her parents were not.
Bear, bore, born.
He bore the pain silently. He was born in Canada.
Beat, beat, beaten.
France beat Brazil 3-0 in the 1998 World Cup final.
Become, became, become.
They became rich overnight.
Begin, began, begun.
World War II began in 1939.
Bend, bent, bent.
He bent down and picked up the coin.
Bet, bet, bet.
He bet $100 on horse 3.
Bid, bid, bid.
4 companies bid for the contract.
Bind, bound, bound.
They bound my arms and legs with rope.
Bite, bit, bitten.
The dog bit me.
Bleed, bled, bled.
He bled to death from the wound.
Blow, blew, blown.
The wind blew off my hat.
Break, broke, broken.
Who broke the window?
Breed, bred, bred.
My grandfather bred horses.
Bring, brought, brought.
I brought lunch from home today.
Build, built, built.
My grandfather built this house.
Burn, burnt, burnt.
I burnt my finger while cooking.
Burst, burst, burst.
He burst my balloon.
Buy, bought, bought.
I bought a new cell phone yesterday.
Cast, cast, cast.
The witch cast a spell on the prince.
Catch, caught, caught.
He caught the ball and threw it back to me.
Choose, chose, chosen.
She chose a red dress.
Cling, clung, clung.
The girl clung to her father.
Come, came, come.
My family came to Germany when I was 10.
Cost, cost, cost.
It cost $100 to rent the car.
Creep, crept, crept.
He crept up the stairs quietly.
Cut, cut, cut.
I cut my finger while cooking.
Deal, dealt, dealt.
She dealt with her students fairly.
Dig, dug, dug.
We dug a hole to plant a tree.
Dive, dove, dived.
She dove into the pool gracefully.
Do, did, done.
He did nothing all day.
Draw, drew, drawn.
She drew a picture of her mom.
Dream, dreamt, dreamt.
I dreamt a strange dream last night.
Drink, drank, drunk.
I drank 2 cups of coffee today.
Drive, drove, driven.
She drove her car into the garage.
Eat, ate, eaten.
He ate nothing all day.
Fall, fell, fallen.
I fell down and hurt my knee.
Feed, fed, fed.
I already fed the dog.
Feel, felt, felt.
I felt tired after a long day.
fight, fought, fought.
They fought over the toy.
Find, found, found.
They finally found the treasure.
Found, founded, founded.
Steve Jobs founded Apple in 1976.
Flee, fled, fled.
He fled to Mexico.
Fly, flew, flown.
A bird flew into my window.
Forbid, forbade, forbidden.
They forbade us to leave the house.
Forget, forgot, forgotten.
I forgot my password again.
Forgive, forgave, forgiven.
He forgave his enemies.
Freeze, froze, frozing.
The lake froze overnight.
Get, got, gotten.
I finally got a job.
Give, gave, given.
She gave me a present for my birthday.
Go, went, gone.
We went to the park for a walk.
Grind, ground, ground.
They ground wheat to make flour.
Grow, grew, grown.
I grew 3 inches this year.
Hang, hung, hung.
He hung his coat on the wall.
Hang, hanged, hanged.
They hanged the prisoner.
Have, had, had.
I had a car at that time.
Hear, heard, heard.
I heard the news on my way home.
Hide, hid, hidden.
We hid behind a tree.
Hit, hit, hit.
Who hit you?
Hold, held, held.
He held my hand and kissed it.
Hurt, hurt, hurt.
I fell down and hurt my knee.
Keep, kept, kept.
She kept me waiting for more than an hour.
Kneel, knelt, knelt.
He knelt and begged for mercy.
Know, knew, known.
I knew you could do it.
Lay, laid, laid.
The goose laid golden eggs.
Lead, led, led.
The waiter led us to our table.
Leap, leapt, leapt.
She leapt over the fence.
Leave, left, left.
He left without saying goodbye.
Lend, lent, lent.
Nobody lent me money.
Let, let.
They let me use their phone.
Lie, lay, lane.
We lay on the grass looking at the stars.
Lie, lied, lied.
She lied about her age.
Light, lit, lit.
He slowly lit a cigarette.
Lose, lost, lost.
I lost my phone today.
Make, made, made.
I made a cake for you.
Mean, meant, meant.
I didn't understand what she meant.
Meet, met, met.
I met him in college.
Mislead, misled, misled.
Sorry if I misled you.
Misunderstand, misunderstood, misunderstood.
I'm sorry I misunderstood your question.
Overcome, overcame, overcome.
He overcame all the obstacles.
Pay, paid, paid.
He paid for dinner.
Prove, proved, proven.
He proved he wasn't there that night.
Put, put.
She put her books in her bag.
quit, quit, quit.
I quit smoking last year.
Read, read, read.
He read many books as a child.
Ride, rode, ridden.
We rode bikes in the park.
Ring, rang, rung.
I rang the doorbell, but there was no answer.
Rise, rose, risen.
The price of gold rose sharply.
Run, ran, run.
I ran to catch the bus.
Say, said, said.
I said nothing during the meeting.
See, saw, seen.
I saw the movie last week.
Seek, sought, sought.
She sought help from her neighbors.
Sell, sold, sold.
She sold her car for $1,000.
Send, sent, sent.
He sent me an email this morning.
Set, set, set.
We set the date for our wedding.
Sew, sewed, sewn.
I sewed a zipper on my pouch.
Shake, shook, shaken.
He shook hands with everybody.
Shed, shed, shed.
They shed tears of joy.
Shoot, shot, shot.
She shot an arrow at the target.
Show, showed, shown.
I showed my passport to the officer.
Shrink, shrank, shrunk.
My jeans shrank after I washed them.
Shut, shut, shut.
I shut the door quietly behind me.
Sing, sang, sung.
We sang the song together.
Sink, sank, sunk.
The Titanic sank in 1912.
Sit, sat, sat.
I sat next to her.
Sleep, slept, slept.
I slept for 12 hours last night.
Slide, slid, slid.
I slid the door open.
Speak, spoke, spoken.
She spoke too fast for me to understand.
Speed, sped, sped.
He got in his car and sped away.
Spend, spent, spent.
We spent a lot of money on the trip.
Spill, spilt, spilt.
He spilt water on the floor.
Spin, spun, spun.
She jumped and spun in the air.
Spit, spat, spat.
He took a bite and spat it out.
Split, split, split.
He split an apple in half with his bare hands.
Spread, spread, spread.
She spread butter on the bread.
Spring, sprang, sprung.
She sprang from her chair and ran to me.
Stand, stood, stood.
He stood up and left the room.
Steal, stole, stolen.
He stole money from his parents.
Stick, stuck, stuck.
I stuck a stamp on the envelope.
Sting, stung, stung.
A bee stung me.
Stink, stank, stunk.
His breath stank.
Strike, struck, struck.
The car struck a tree and caught fire.
Swear, swore, sworn.
They swore to tell the truth.
Sweep, swept, swept.
He swept the path in front of his house.
Swell, swelled, swollen.
His face swelled up like a balloon.
Swim, swam, swum.
We swam across the river.
swing, swung, swung.
They swung their arms back and forth.
Take, took, taken.
Somebody took my umbrella.
Teach, taught, taught.
She taught English in Japan for 2 years.
Tear, tore, torn.
She tore the letter into pieces.
Tell, told, told.
Mom told me to come home early.
Think, thought, thought.
I thought about you today.
Throw, threw, thrown.
People threw stones at him.
Thrust, thrust, thrust.
She thrust the baby into my arms and ran off.
Undergo, underwent, undergone.
The company underwent many changes.
Underlie, underlay, underlain.
Selfishness underlay my actions.
Understand, understood, understood.
My parents understood me.
Undertake, undertook, undertaken.
He willingly undertook the task.
Upset, upset, upset.
I'm sorry if I upset you.
Wake, woke, woken.
I woke up late this morning.
Wear, wore, worn.
I wore jeans and a t-shirt.
Weave, wove, woven.
My grandmother wove this carpet.
Weave, weaved, weaved.
The car weaved in and out of the traffic.
Weep, wept, wept.
She wept alone in her room.
Win, won, won.
Our team won the game.
Wind, wound, wound.
She wound the string into a ball.
Withdraw, withdrew, withdrawn.
I withdrew some money from an ATM.
Withhold, withheld, withheld.
I withheld payment until they completed the work.
Withstand, withstood, withstood.
The building withstood the earthquake.
Write, wrote, written.
She wrote many books. Good job! See you next time.